How to exfoliate your scalp for healthier hair growth. Chapter 1. Scalp Care, the foundation of healthy hair. When you're in the shower, do you think about how to clean your scalp? If not, you're not alone. Most of us focus on shampooing our hair, but forget about the scalp underneath. However, scalp care is vital for healthy skin and luscious, full hair. Neglecting your scalp can lead to buildup, irritation, and even hair thinning. So, where do you start? Let's dive into simple tips to keep your scalp clean and healthy.
Chapter 2. Regular Cleansing. 1. Frequency. Wash your scalp 2 to 3 times a week to remove dirt, oil, and product buildup. If you have oily hair or use styling products often, you might need more frequent washes. 2. Double cleanse. The first wash removes surface oils and buildup, while the second focuses on thoroughly cleaning your scalp. 3. Shampoo selection. Choose a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo that cleanses without stripping natural oils. For deep cleansing, add a detoxifying shampoo or scalp scrub weekly. Pro tip. A. How to know if shampoo is sulfate-free. Typically, this foam will last for several minutes. Sulfate-free shampoos and bath products usually do not form a persistent foam. If sulfates are present within a product, they will be listed on the ingredient label commonly found on the back of your product.
B. Is clarifying shampoo and detoxifying shampoo the same thing? They both remove residue, minerals, and oils. The key difference lies in the active ingredients. Hair detox relies primarily on natural ingredients, while clarifying shampoos have more synthetic ingredients that can dry out your hair if you overuse them. Chapter 3. Exfoliation Basic and Exfoliants. 1. Scalp Scrubs Basic. Use a scrub weekly to remove dead skin cells and unclog hair follicles. This encourages healthier hair growth. A. Preparation. The first step is to shampoo and section your hair. Wet your hair thoroughly before applying the scrub. This helps the product spread more easily and prevents irritation. B. Application. Take a handful of the scrub and massage it into your scalp using circular motions. Focus on areas that feel particularly oily or flaky, but avoid being too rough to prevent irritation. C. Duration. Allow the scrub to sit for a few minutes to maximize its benefits. This can vary based on the product. Some recommend rinsing after a few minutes, while others suggest longer exposure for deeper cleansing. D. Rinsing. Rinse your scalp thoroughly with warm water to ensure all product is removed. Follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner to cleanse your hair completely. F. Frequency. For most individuals, using a scalp scrub once a week is ideal. Those with oily scalps may benefit from more frequent use, up to twice a week, while those with dry or sensitive scalps might only need it every 2 to 3 weeks.
2. Chemical exfoliants. Products containing salicylic acid help regulate oil production and deeply cleanse the scalp.
3. Scalp Scrub DIY Recipes. A. Brown sugar and oatmeal scrub. To make a brown sugar and oatmeal scrub, mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal, and 2 tablespoons of a hair conditioner of your choice. The sugar-oatmeal combination creates a physical exfoliant that will help slough off dead skin cells. After you shampoo, apply the mixture to your wet hair. Use gentle circular motions to reach the scalp and rinse thoroughly when done. B. Aspirin scrub. For an aspirin scrub, use 6 to 8 aspirin and 4 tablespoons of warm water. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, a chemical exfoliant. Place aspirin tablets in a bowl. Pour warm water to dissolve the tablets. Use a toothbrush to stir the mixture and to apply to your scalp. Massage gently and rinse well. Regular exfoliation can lead to healthier, shinier hair over time.
Chapter 4. Additional Scalp Health Tips. 1. Scalp Massage. First up, let's talk about scalp massage. It's a great way to boost circulation and relax. A. Fingertip massage. Use your fingertips, not your nails, to apply gentle pressure. This helps to avoid scratching or irritating the scalp. Start at the hairline and move in circular motions across the scalp. This technique helps to evenly distribute natural oils. B. Section your hair. Divide your hair into sections to ensure thorough coverage of the entire scalp. This is especially useful if you have thick or curly hair. C. Focus on tension areas. Spend extra time on areas that feel tense or sore. These spots often benefit the most from increased blood flow.
2. Avoiding buildup. Now let's move on to avoiding buildup. A. Limit heavy products. Minimize the use of thick oils or styling products that can cause buildup. Opt for lightweight, non-comedogenic products instead. B. Drying. Always allow your scalp to dry thoroughly after washing to prevent bacterial growth and irritation. Use a towel to gently pat your scalp dry and avoid vigorous rubbing. 3. Hydration and protection. A. Scalp serums. Apply serums with ingredients like tea tree oil to combat dryness or dandruff. Look for serums that also contain hyaluronic acid for added moisture. B. Sun protection. Protect your scalp from sun damage by wearing a hat or using scalp-safe sunscreen. UV rays can damage hair follicles and lead to hair thinning. 4. Healthy lifestyle choices. Finally, healthy lifestyle choices can make a big difference. A. Diet. Eat foods rich in vitamins and minerals that support scalp health like biotin, zinc, and omega-3s. These nutrients help to strengthen hair and promote growth. B. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to maintain your skin's moisture and elasticity. Dehydration can lead to a dry, flaky scalp. C. Stress management. Practice stress-relieving activities like yoga or meditation to keep your scalp healthy. Stress can lead to hair loss and scalp issues. D. Sleep. Ensure you get enough sleep, as rest is crucial for overall scalp health. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night.
Chapter 5. The Apple Cider Vinegar ACV Rinse. 1. Why use ACV for scalp and hair? Well, ACV is a multitasking hero for your scalp thanks to its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Here's how it works. A. Balances pH levels. Hair thrives in a slightly acidic environment with a pH of 3.67 to 5.5. ACV's low pH of 2 to 3 helps restore balance to dull, brittle, or frizzy hair. B. Antimicrobial action ACV's acetic acid can kill harmful bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus that cause folliculitis or irritation. It also fights fungi, making it effective against dandruff and other scalp issues.
2. How do you use ACV for hair care? A. Make the rinse. Mix 2 to 4 tablespoons of ACV with 16 ounces of water. B. Apply after washing. Shampoo your hair first, then pour the ACV mixture evenly over your scalp and hair. C. Use a squeeze bottle. For precision, use a squeeze bottle to apply the rinse directly to your scalp. D. Let it sit. Leave the rinse on for 5 to 10 minutes. Start small and adjust as needed. E. Rinse thoroughly. Finish by rinsing your hair with water. F. Pro tip: try an ACV rinse twice a week for best results. Chapter 6. Final thoughts. Scalp care is the cornerstone of healthy, beautiful hair. By following these practices, from regular cleansing to the occasional ACV rinse and Scalp Scrub DIY recipes, you can nurture your scalp and keep your hair looking its best. So the next time you're in the shower, remember, it's not just about washing your hair, it's about caring for the foundation underneath. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your mind and body healthy. Thanks for watching and see you next time.